Hi friends, welcome to IT Port. In this session we are going to see the introduction to SQL Server. SQL Server is a relational database management system. It is RDBMS developed by Microsoft. This product is built for the basic function of storing and retrieving data as featured by other applications. It can be run either on the same computer or on another across a network. SQL Server is a platform dependent. Still, it's a platform dependent. The release started from early 1989 up to this 2016. The last releases are released in 2016. In maybe upcoming versions will support another platform, but still it's a platform dependent. And it's a both GUI and CUI command based softwares. Main usages of SQL Server are to create databases and maintain it. Database is a collection of tables. The tables is a collection of records in other multiple forms. Whatever we need, we can create this. In our upcoming session, we deeply discuss about databases and tables. So in SQL Server, there are two types of components. It is mainly based on the client server architecture, and there are two components. One is workstation type, other one is server types. Workstation is a client side tools, so just interfaces to interact with a server. The tool likes SQL Server Management Studio and Profiler. So these are the client tools to interact with the server. The second one is server side components. So installed in the centralized servers, it acts like a services. It's like SQL Server services and SQL Server reporting services and SQL Server analysis services. So previously we discussed that there are versions started from 1989 and their last recent releases are 2005, 2008 and 2008 R2, 12, 14 and 2016. From 2005 there are some other editions are the standard edition, developer edition, evaluation edition, enterprise evaluation edition, express edition and enterprise edition. There is some features difference beyond this. The enterprise edition is a complete full feature and the express edition is some features with completely free. There are limitations to 10 GB data. And the developer edition is a single user license, and the enterprise evaluation edition is a trial period, so it will expire in the 6 months. So there are a lot of editions and lot of versions are released up to this date. So in this tutorial we explain some basic and advanced concepts of SQL Server, such as how to create and restore data, how to create login and how to create store procedure, functions, tables, types, etc. etc. Each topic is explained using examples for easy understanding. This is our concepts. So in this tutorial we can consider the lot of tips and tricks in SQL Server. Initially we started with the SQL Server services, then start with reporting services and analysis services, and side by side as a DBA. So IT Port will clearly explain about the SQL Server suppose services. So in our next session, how to start with a SQL Server Management Studio and how to communicate the server. So with that, please support us by the way of liking and commenting and subscribing us. Thank you friends.